Hello, and welcome to AI Communication Issues in Business, written by myself, Tony Hull. Today, we will be discussing how manipulation and deception in AI can and does affect us in today's world. Amazon's AI-driven recruitment tool demonstrated bias against women, based on the research of Sison, Ferrero, Riz, and Kim. Microsoft's chatbot, Tay, had to be discontinued due to racist and misogynistic remarks. Finally, AI systems are already widely used in almost all sectors of society, from manufacturing, agriculture, trade, finance, and medicine to government and public administration. Ethical communications using AI. The problem with AI ethical communication is there are currently no regulations surrounding the use of AI in communication. It is important to understand the good and bad of AI communication. Also, national and international organizations, both governmental and non-governmental, have responded to these social fears by developing new directives or ad hoc committees with artificial intelligence experts, which aims to design policies that represent legal basis for controlling AI systems ethically. So a few main points. Ethical responsibility. Tangible actions are urgently required to ensure that AI is ethically and responsibly developing and being implemented, and that relevant governance methods are in place. Trust and transparency. Ethical AI communication fosters trust between organizations and their stakeholders by emphasizing the importance of transparency and accountability in AI systems. So a few more main points. Inclusive communication. Professionals can glean the importance of adopting inclusive communication practices in AI interactions to ensure that technology serves the diverse needs of its users. Regulatory compliance. A deep understanding of ethical consideration helps professionals effectively navigate the legal and regulatory frameworks surrounding AI communication, mitigating compliance risks. Finally, reputation management. Responsible AI communications is integral to safeguarding an organization's reputation and maintaining positive customer relationships, highlighting its critical role in brand management. A few problems. AI systems, chatbots, or ChatGPT, for example, learn from large data sets created by humans. These data sets can contain bias or discrimination information. AI cannot differentiate from this data. All it can do is pull from it. This can lead to unfair and discriminatory communication. We also have seen a number of unintended consequences and negative outcomes, with numerous reports of innovative attempts by companies and governments falling short in spectacular and public fashion. Among these are chatbots who learned hate speech online, human resource processes that unwittingly enshrine sexual discrimination in code, or school testing scores being assigned on basis of socioeconomic condition rather than student achievement. Invariably, this has led to new policy debates in how to curb negative outcomes and concept of ethical use of AI. Some solutions. 3 potential solutions. We need clear ethical guidelines and regulations. Establish comprehensive ethical guidelines and regulations for AI developers, organizations, and researchers. These guidelines should outline acceptable practices for AI communication and define what is considered ethical and responsible behavior. There needs to be transparent AI development processes. Encourage transparency in the AI development by requiring developers to document their models, datasets, and methodology thoroughly. Finally, there needs to be continuous monitoring and auditing. Implement regular and independent audits of AI systems to ensure they are aligned with the ethical guidelines and regulations. Given the potential controversies, there have been surprisingly few reflections on the ethical implications of text generated by AI agents such as GPT-3 in the business ethics domain. In conclusion, the importance of AI in business ethics. We'll take a few of the main points. AI systems, chatbots, and ChatGPT, for example, learn from a large data set created by humans. All that AI does is take the information processed by humans and deliver it in a better way. AI cannot differentiate from this data, whether it is hate speech, love speech, government issues, mathematical problems. Everything that AI learns from is something that is driven by humans. This can lead to unfair or discriminatory communications. There have been issues where people have used AI as a way to predict the future and have found that that AI model will constantly be trying to find, will constantly lead them to discriminatory actions. Review of the solution. Clear ethical guidelines and regulations. That data set that is input into AI needs to be clear and directive to an approach of ethics and regulations. Transparent AI development processes. We need to make sure that while business A is developing AI technology, that business B is not going around the ethical considerations of what AI can provide for us. Finally, continuous monitoring and auditing. We need to make sure that the AI generation in business is both monitored and audited on a regular basis so it cannot be used against us. I'd like to thank you guys for your time. Hope everybody had a wonderful semester.